everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. Ted's saying hi to everybody. Please subscribe to my channel because when I hit 500, I'm doing a giveaway. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you ring the bell and all that fun stuff. Alright, so today I have an unbagging of my Haunted Mansion Dooney. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm still rocking my Peekaboo. I'm going to be switching out that fairly soon. I really like this bag. I didn't think I was going to like it, but it's working out pretty good. Alright, even in the rain, snow, sleet, it's been in the hail. So it's working out really great actually. Alright, so I got this from the Character Warehouse. It's Haunted Mansion Dooney. It matches my wallet. It's a crossbody. Came in a bag like that. It's brand new. It comes with the tags on it. It hasn't been used. It's just in the warehouse for half price. And the cool part about it is this is a placement bag. And the cool part about it is it has the bride on the front like I wanted to match my wallet. This is pretty good placement. So I'm pretty excited about it actually. Alright, doesn't have feet at the bottom, but that's okay. And it's Dooney and Bourke. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up real quick. It's got a nice shoulder strap. That's all covered up. Alright, let's go ahead and get my blade out here. Do you guys have any Dooneys? In the description below, let me know if you have any Dooneys. My Dooneys are Disney Dooneys, so I'm going to be doing a video on my Dooney collection for Disney. So make sure you ring the bell and make sure that you're notified every time I upload videos, and that's quite often. Alright, it's all stuffed inside and it's all purple. Very cool. Has a little zipper pocket there. It comes fully stuffed. And it's all purple, and it also comes with the registration card. So that's what Dooneys come with, basically. You fill it out, send it in, and you're registered with Dooney. So I highly recommend doing that. And it's got a slot there. A slot there, and the top part is a zipper. All right, and then it has another slot there. Great organization, great little bag, and then it has a slot in the back. All right, so that's my unbagging of my Dooney Crossbody from the Character Warehouse. That has great placement on it, and it has the bride right on the front like I was looking for. So I got lucky this time, but when you're having somebody else shop for you, you can't always get the best placement. So if you do get a placement bag or a lounge fly, mini backpack or any of those, and you have a personal shopper shopping for you, you're just kind of taking your chance. But I did good on this one, so I'm pretty happy about it. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.